guys. Just wanted to give an update about the Press One Cash system. So excited. Um, like I said, I showed you guys in the last video how to advertise different opportunities with the system. And the good thing about the system is if you want to add an additional income stream, right? You already have traffic. There's traffic already flowing through your number because that's all I've been promoting is one number. Set it up on a rotator. So I have different opportunities flashing each and every time someone press one and they get that text message to their phone, it goes to another opportunity and it keeps rotating. So I was able to get 2 big ticket sales with the system because I added another link. So basically all I've been doing is sharing this phone number. Like I said, once you go on your back office, once you get set up, right, whatever website you want your number to point to, you put it in here and you just hit update changes. Now that website is in here. So when people dial your number, right, they dial your number, um, they press one, right? Now it's going to be routed to whatever website you want, guys. This system can be used for online marketing, offline marketing. Like I said, you can do flyers. But see, the thing is with flyers, if you're marketing offline, right, you keep it generic and you just have people call that number. So it can change your opportunity. If you want to add another opportunity, if you want to change an opportunity, you want to do something different, right? Your traffic now is already flowing through that number. You don't have to reroute traffic. The traffic is already coming. Your number is already out there because you've been sharing it on social media. You're sharing it on Instagram. You're sharing it on Facebook. And I'll show you right now. This is my fan page for Facebook. It's going to take long. Give me 1 second here. This is my fan page for Facebook. All right, I have over 206 likes right now for my fan page through Facebook. So, and 207 people are following this. So everyone who is coming aboard, they're following my page. So they can see exactly what I post. They can see my number, right? They can see that I made a big ticket sale, 2 big ticket sales, using my Press Cash One system. This is my Stripe account, right? So they already have traffic flowing through my system. Right, so I'm going to get sales in whatever opportunity I have posted. I also have the Press One Cash site itself flowing through the system. So somebody cut the grass outside. So basically, the system works. Right, it's a powerful system. You can use the system to beef up your current marketing, whatever opportunity. And then when someone joins your main business, let them know, hey, I got a system that you can use to promote it. Well, what I got to do? Can you just share a phone number? Guys, that makes the system easy, right? It makes whatever business you have easy and it makes it automated. Easy and automation. Traffic, easy automation is going to produce results. The only thing you're doing, again, is just simply sharing a phone number. The system is so worth it. I've made well over what I paid for. I paid $297 for the system, right? $297 for the entire system. Now I have my own marketing phone number, my own marketing system. If someone joins any of my opportunities, I'm going to present them with Press One Cash to automate their system, right? People may not understand the traffic, buying traffic from Udemy, buying, getting solo ads. That may come with a little bit more tech skills, right? They may have to learn that stuff. But do you think that anyone can share a phone number? Because that's all I've been doing is sharing this phone number, doing videos. And that's pretty much how it's been working. Like I said, now I'm making sales in my other opportunities because I can point my traffic to wherever I want my traffic to go, guys. So if you want this system, you can call this number, check it out, US and Canada only. Click the link below to get started. But this system alone is going to beef up your marketing because it's easy, right? Like I said, people may not know how to do solo ads or run email marketing. That's something they may have to learn. But anyone can share a phone number, right? So now you're in a position to help anyone earn in your current business or just sell the actual system. Like I said, there's a built-in one-up compensation plan. So now you're making money while you sleep, guys. This system, again, hands down, one of the best marketing systems that I've used. I have other marketing systems, but I love this system because it's easy. It doesn't require that much explanation. You get in, you plug in, you hook up your account, whatever account you want to use. I'm using Stripe, and it's good to go. I get an email when someone has joined. I go back, I click a button. Good, they're on, they're active, they're ready to start reselling the system, guys. So if you have any questions, get with me, get in our Facebook group, and I will see next video. Take care.